Let's start by deciding on a name of the project. After uploading two sprites, hair and cat, we go to the second one and determine its position on the screen. Hair sprite should be hidden by default. On mouse click event, we want to show the sprite on the screen. Using forever and repeat loops, we place the hair sprite where the mouse clicked. To control the hair size, we add new hair size variable. In order to change a variable while program is running, we modify it to be a slider control. We set the min and max values for the slider and check how it works.